Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add map to your site in Site123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page. In add new page, you want to write neither contact, you can just choose contact here, just choose map. And you're gonna see it here that you can choose like map here, or you can choose it with the contact page, but let's just choose map here. So let's click map, and here we got the map. Here you want to click on it and click edit. In edit, you want to just write address where are you from or where is your business. Okay, save and close. And straight away we can see it here. It is perfect, and this is where I live. So if you want to come for a coffee, you can. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and give you some feedback, guidance, etc. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.